Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, air conditioning, alloy wheels, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.